Long story short, I'm back with Blender and wanna do something new, so let's go. Okay, how to create an old school monitor in seconds, so let's go. Okay, we mess with the default cube, make it flat, and then basically we just go to edit mode and then do extrude, and then right click and then scale down to this size, and then basically we just go extrude, and then extrude, right click and then scale, and then basically we're just gonna extrude it again to make it a box though. Now adjust the back face right, scaling down, and then basically you go to the front face and then go to extrude and then right click and then scale down, and then basically just reverse extrude. We're gonna create two materials though, the plastic and the freaking blue screen. For the plastic, you rename that plastic like this, and then basically make it white though. And now for the blue screen, you're gonna add a freaking new material, and now make the base color a bit darker. For the emission, you can just maximize the color, and then basically you're just gonna go to the dark, select the face right here, and then press the material for the blue screen right here, press assign. Now you can actually see that it's actually the blue screen that you see when there's an error in your freaking monitor. Now for the letters and code and yeah, add a text and then rotate it to how it is supposed to be rotated. Position the text to the screen. Now for the font, you can just do pick any font though that is related to computers. Once you selected your font, you go crazy with the freaking code. Basically, you're done with the freaking monitor. I hope you enjoyed this video and peace out though.